Welcome to Lockdown. In this video we will show you how to assemble a base cabinet using the plastic barb channel locks. The first thing you want to do is install your drawer guides. This is a 16-inch soft close undermount drawer slide with channel lock hardware pre-installed. Insert that hardware into the drawer slide routes and simply slide the drawer slide forward. Once you've done that, you can install your nailers, drawer stretchers, toe kick, top, and deck. I'm going to start with the nailer. So when you install the nailer, you want to make sure that the locking pins, so this one's going towards the top panel, you want to make sure the locking pins are going to be pointing towards the top panel. Slide it in about 1/4 of an inch just to hold it in place so it doesn't fall out. Next I'm going to install the drawer stretcher. Same thing. Slide it in 1/4 of an inch. Now the bottom nailer, the locking pins pointing toward the bottom. Toe kick. And now the deck panel. Notice how there's a rabbited edge on the deck panel. Make sure that aligns with the 1/4 inch dado in the back. The top panel, same thing. Align the rabbited edge with the 1/4 inch dado. Now once you have all of the panels set in place, take your other end panel, drawer slide's already on, and set it on top, trying to align all of the panels with their fasteners into their routes. Just go around the cabinet one by one and align fasteners. Eventually, they'll all drop into place. Once everything's flush, just give each panel a little tap just to lock them in partially. That way when you rotate the cabinet, it won't fall apart. Once you've done that, flip the cabinet and rotate it onto its back. Now you can start sliding in the panels. So start with your deck, push it all the way in until it's flush. Drawer stretcher, but leave the top for later. If you stand up the cabinet, it will automatically lock in the toe kick. And now you're ready to install your back panel. Just slide it in through the top, all the way down. Notice how it's a little bit shorter than the top panel so that the rabbited edge will slide right over it. Rotate the cabinet back on its back again. Push the top all the way in. Last step is to lock in the nailers. Once you've done that, you can put in the back panel wedges. Just insert it into their openings. Slide them towards your nailers. These will wedge the back panel tightly up against the dado and take all of the racking out of the cabinet. Now you can use a hammer or a block of wood just to wedge them in a little bit tighter.